and gentlemen, here I have and I present you JBL by Harman. Let's wait it out. Yes, it is. We have, well, I'll talk about the 20 hours. So what we have here on hand is Charge 5. So this is the new iteration of the Charge 4, one of the most affordable and the popular portable speaker by JBL, which boasts an epic 20 hours of battery life. So just going through around the box, the usual suspects: play, charge endlessly, Charge 5 by JBL, by Harman, sorry. So now I did unboxing of the JBL Pulse 4. Now here I have in my disposal a Charge 5, which is in black color. So let's cut it open and see what's inside. Now we're going to try the songs, a little bit of let's say some music, to check out the oomph of this speaker later on the stage. So let's pop it open. Alright, so boom, that is neat. Charge 5. So that pumped up engraving looks very nice. Okay, let's see the packaging inside. Voila, that is the speaker. So it comes with a soft it's not a fabric, but it's kind of like a paperish recyclable material on the as a sleeve for it. So the packaging is very plain and simple. So let's check the speaker now. Yep, that's what I was talking about. Yep, that is subtle and nice. So here we have the Charge 5. Now the major revamp from the last previous generation Charge 4 to Charge 5 is literally like, let's say, the party boost been added, better battery life, and the new design of the JBL logo in it. So paperwork, some of the paperwork, and here we have the Type-C cable, charging cable for the Charge 5. Okay, so it's about 1.5 meters long. So that's it, and those are the paperwork, which we are not going to go in details though. So that's the basic of how to use, how to pair, and different colorways available. So that's the Charge 5, and it is IP67 rating, so it is water, it's splash resistant. You can throw in the swimming pool, but make sure the clamp at the back has been sealed properly. So the one I was talking about is the JBL logo. Yeah, that has been significantly resized, enlarged, and the base stand, the grid stand there, and at the back we have the charging port Type-C, and that's the flap I was talking about. And inside we have the USB-A port to charge your device like mobile phones up, and those are the let's say base, what do you call, base ears probably. So that's the party bus: volume down, volume up, play button, power button, and Bluetooth. So that's it. So in a while we're gonna turn it on. Yep, just wait for it. Yep, that's the official sound, and wait for it. So we have to connect, we're gonna connect play some music now. So we have the Charge 5 been connected to my mobile phone. Now that's connected. Voila. Enjoy. While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. That's all, guys. Thank you so much, and cheers.